Have you ever thought about attracting new customers, new clients via giving them lead magnets, as I called them in my previous video, little thanks, via asking them make call to action? If you've tried, my congratulations, you've used a really good method of attracting people into your business, since it works that amazingly that you even cannot imagine. I also tried it when I started my own career as a freelancer, but if you haven't tried it yet, so it's time to act and to create something that you can provide, that you can share with your potential audience and get new customers that are ready to pay for your services or your items, your goods. I guess you know what I'm talking about and what is that lead magnet means, but if you didn't get still what is that, I would give you a simple example from our childhood. Maybe it's not that lead magnet as in marketing field sounds, but if you go really to real life, it is when we are sitting on the kitchen with our mom. I imagine me 10 years old, I didn't like eat soup, and my mom says, okay Natalie, if you finish this soup for 10 minutes, I allow you to buy any toy you want in the shopping mall. Ta-da! It's like a lead magnet. So a toy, a potential toy I'm going to get was my lead magnet. And my mom wanted me to take an action. And another example you could face in the real life, it's in the shopping mall when we are buying beverages to the home, and in the supermarket we see a stand with a representative of some brand. Let's imagine this is new brand of cheese. There are on plates several sorts of cheese. A representative asks us to try all these sorts of cheese and vote for the best. After that, he or she asks us to leave our details, like maybe a phone number or an email, and provide us a piece of cheese for free. These two examples are connected with lead magnets. But why all these lead magnets are given? Of course, the first reason is that we want to interact with potential audience to understand them better. In case of tasting a cheese, we understood what is the best cheese for a woman, for example, and for a child if they tried together. The second reason, for example, we have goods and we want them to improve, to become better, or to find a problem why these kind of services or products sold worse than others. Then we go with such lead magnet to our current audience and want them to share their opinion about this product, to improve this product. And the third one is about opening a marketing funnel, where this lead magnet is a first stage in our funnel, in our strategy we're going to implement to sell our services. If you remember, I'm talking about social media promotion. So let's go on to the first one. No doubt that you tried it already in your life like a customer, but maybe it's time to try it from the opposite side as being an entrepreneur. I remember myself downloading thousands of different applications for free, and there was given an access to 1, 2, 3 days trial version. Sometimes it's a bigger amount of days, but anyway, I had an option to try it on my own and to understand whether I like it or not. Imagine that you are a trainer and you want more customers. So you can suggest a trial lesson, a trial workout. Of course, you need to spend time to provide this service, to provide this workout for another person. However, if it brings you a new customer that is going to pay for 10, 20 or more workouts, so why not to try it? The second one is a guide You just input their available information, maybe your experience, or if you sell plants, or you can say to your followers like share our page and we will give you as a gift our guide how to care for your plants if you're going on vacation for a week, and you don't need to ask friends or relatives to care for them and to water them. The third one, it's about educational materials, similar to first one where we discussed with you trial version, but it's not just about lesson. Like an example, you can create a free marathon before starting your general course, your main course online. You can provide your followers with free marathon and they can try, they can collaborate with you, they can meet you closer and understand the values of your main item, your main course. The fourth one, really interesting one and absorbing, and I'm talking about access to the community. Maybe it's a community on Telegram, on YouTube, where you share your ideas, exclusive ideas, and your audience will feel that they are exceptional. Something with limited access, but with huge amount of sense. The fifth one, selection of valuable materials. If I'm working as a freelancer, I suggest them a list of maybe sites where they can find their first job, like example. The sixth possible version, materials for printing. It's a very interactive one, and it's good for designers, for some creative occupations. It's a calendar, a planner, tracker of habits, something that your audience can easily access to, print immediately after they got it and use it. Of course, you just input there your logo and give there maybe a reminder about services you can suggest them, but it's a good way to get from people some emails because you can even say that, okay, I'm going to share it with you on email, and using these emails in email marketing, for example. I'm leaving down in the description the checklist, like 7 points your lead magnet must meet in order you can create a really amazing one. Adapt one of these lead magnets regarding your expectations, regarding what you want to get from your customers. Please press the like button under this video in order to promote it to other people, and leave in comments if you used any of these lead magnets in your business. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. See you!